If you needed any more proof, you just got it. What happened? You just followed all 4 of those steps. First, attraction marketing. You've seen the video out there online. It brought you where? Number 2, my branded website, MisterTherapy.com, where 3, you're getting some value-based consumer-centric content. You're getting some more information, learning some stuff, and what? Number 4, it's all automated, all right? The ads are automated, brought you to the website's automated, looking at a recorded video that's all leading you to my registration for tonight's live training, where they're actually going to see me live. That's the part that ain't automated. But look at this beautiful process. You are the proof. You are the evidence that this really works, and I can't wait to meet you. I really hope you get a chance to bring a friend so you can meet me and my friends and really see how this is all broke down in detail. Not just how it works, but how the consumer perceives it, why it works that way. When you understand why it works the way it works, it's going to be real easy to know how you plan on setting this up. And this is not something that I just came up with myself. This is something that's been done for a long time. I think you can do it too. Maybe you just didn't have it broke down to you the way that I'm going to, and I got plenty of friends that are going to be able to share with you that it absolutely works. So make sure you click below, get that button in, and make sure you jump on over to that Zoom registration where you're going to be able to sign up and join me tonight live. And of course, 100 seats there, so grab a friend, register now. Gonna be a great time, and you're gonna learn about those tools that me and my friends, when we were ready to make that step to really implement that 4th step, that automation, and really let our tools work for us instead of us using up all of our time and our resources to try to do it manually. Hey, you're gonna get a chance to see what the best thing out there is. So again, click below, make sure you register, and I will see you tonight.